In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a free group and upsell in Mighty Networks. The first thing to do is define your free offer before you build anything. Get clear on who this free group is for, what specific problem it solves, and what transformation members should experience after joining. This matters because a free community works best when it has a clear purpose, not just a general topic. For example, your group could be focused on business networking, weight loss, social media growth, or financial literacy. The key is to give people quick wins and real value without giving away the entire paid program. Once that's clear, head into Mighty Networks and create your free community. Start by creating a new network, then set up your main community space and configure access as free. After that, build out the basic experience so people know exactly how to engage. Add a welcome post, community guidelines, an introduction thread, a resource library, and weekly discussion prompts. This creates structure right away and helps new members feel like they've joined an active, useful space. Next, design the member journey. Think through what happens after someone joins. On day 1, send a welcome message and encourage them to introduce themselves. On day 2, share a quick win resource. On day 4, post an engagement question. On day 7, invite them to a free training. Then on day 10, present your paid offer. The important strategy here is not to sell immediately. Build trust first, create momentum, and let members experience value before making the invitation. From there, focus on delivering consistent value. A simple content rhythm can help a lot. For example, you might share a training tip on Monday, a community discussion on Tuesday, a success story on Wednesday, a live Q&A on Thursday, and a resource or template on Friday. Consistency keeps the group alive and helps members get results faster. Now create a paid upgrade path. This could be a premium membership, a group coaching program, a course library, a mastermind community, or a VIP networking group. Whatever you offer, make the difference between the free and paid experience obvious. In the free community, members might get discussions, basic resources, free live sessions, and networking. In the premium version, they could get advanced training, templates, exclusive workshops, coaching calls, accountability, and direct access to you. A strong way to convert members is by hosting a conversion event. Run a free workshop or challenge, help people get a meaningful result, and then present the paid offer at the end. You can strengthen that offer by sharing success stories like member wins, testimonials, screenshots of results, and case studies. Finally, create genuine scarcity and track your conversion metrics, including new free members, engagement, attendance, upgrades, and revenue. That way, you can see what's actually driving growth and improve your strategy over time.